And for some unknown reason, I hit a button because that's what I do with my hands. So we're gonna do a second video, which we are just now walking in the front door. This is a standard tile. As you come in, we've got our 2 bedrooms right here in the front. Your guest bath. This does have the 3-inch tile. You can upgrade that tile, or sorry, the 3-inch baseboards. You can upgrade that to the 5-inch. As we go to the left here, of course, your first door is back out to your garage, mudroom, laundry room, and then this is your guest bedroom that has the ensuite. You do have 9-foot ceilings in these as a standard. And this one right here, some people leave these doors off and make this into a formal dining room area. You can add the doors and have it as a office, but those are options. This kitchen does have some upgrades. They did choose the darker cabinets, but they did get a double oven, and with that double oven upgrade, they have the stove top on this side. If not, your oven would be here. Dining room area over on the side. Nice area here in the center. Plenty of countertop, plenty of space for some bar stools. Nice sized pantry. Okay, these were extra lighting that was put in. As you can see, all the LEDs up here. So that is an option. The back porch area here. And this does come standard with this model. You can screen it if you would like. You do have that preserve. As you see, we were right next door on the right-hand side for the home that you were interested in. So you do have that preserve behind you. Nice big open floor plan. Going into the primary bedroom. Upgrade with the tray ceilings. Into your primary bath. The glass is standard. Nice big shower. I'm going to try super hard to be out of the picture. Standing in the middle. Look at me pull that off. Alrighty, and then you've got your water room. And then, oh, that's cool. It went on for me. Nice huge closet in here. So you have lots of stuff. Not that shorts and t-shirts take up a lot of space, which is all you'll need here in Florida. Guess you might need a little bit of work clothes, but. And did I miss something?
I think just about everything. 42-inch cabinets are standard. The pendant lighting is an option. Take it or leave it. You're really paying for the wiring, not so much the fixtures. We'll ask about venting the microwave to the outside. That's one of the things that we can talk about as well.
Alrighty, we're signing off. Talk to you in a bit. Bye.